Hello friends, Alexius Varro here, your guide through the art of Stoic living. Today, we're diving into an essential lesson from Stoicism, what it means to be unyielding, inspired by a powerful teaching of Epictetus. Imagine this scenario. You're watching a seasoned professional manager handling a press conference. Tough questions are delivered like rapid-fire missiles, complete with sarcastic undertones and probing insults. Yet the manager remains unfazed, meeting each challenge with humor, composure, and patience. Have you noticed how these individuals seem unyielding, as if nothing can disrupt their calmness? This isn't just the result of experience or media training. There's a deeper mastery at work here, an understanding that emotional reactions can escalate situations unnecessarily. Epictetus hits the nail on the head in his discourses. Who is unyielding? The one who cannot be deprived of composure by anything outside the realm of their free will. The concept of free will, or proeresis as the Stoics called it, plays a pivotal role. It's the recognition that while we can't control the events that happen to us, we can control how we respond to them. Proeresis is our inner citadel, a fortress of self-control and resilience. Now, you might not face a horde of reporters with tricky questions today, but life isn't short of its own tests, right? Stress at work, conflicts in relationships, or even random disappointments, we're often confronted with situations that could easily fluster us. The key is to pre-construct your demeanor for these sharp moments. See it as a mental template that you can resort to when needed. Picture this. You've just received a harsh email from a coworker. Your first impulse might be to react with frustration or defensiveness. But if you've trained yourself to be unyielding, you won't let external provocations pull the emotional strings. Instead, you take a deep breath, read the email again, and respond with clarity and composure. By doing this, you not only maintain your peace, but handle the situation more effectively. Another great tactic to cultivate this quality is visualization. Leading athletes often visualize their performance to embed the desired actions into their minds. Why shouldn't we do the same with our responses? Take a moment each day to visualize handling difficult situations with grace. This trains your mind to react less impulsively under pressure. So, what practical steps can we take to embody this Stoic mindset? First, remember that setbacks are inevitable. Acknowledge this reality with an open heart. Instead of dreading them, see these moments as opportunities to practice your unyielding nature. Get comfortable with discomfort. Challenge yourself to lean into situations that test your composure. Another suggestion is to anchor yourself in Stoic texts. Epictetus offers timeless wisdom, and meditating on his teachings can be immensely grounding. Internalize his words. Who is unyielding? The one who cannot be deprived of composure by anything outside the realm of their free will. Let these become mantras that guide your daily actions. Finally, don't underestimate the power of mindfulness and reflection. End each day with a brief reflection on how you handled different situations. Acknowledge where you succeeded in maintaining composure and where you can improve. This ongoing self-awareness fosters a proactive rather than reactive approach to life's challenges. In conclusion, friends, cultivating an unyielding demeanor isn't about denying our emotions or being stoic in the modern sense of the word. It's about recognizing our power to choose our responses, grounded in the Stoic principle of free will. By practicing this, we can handle stress, disappointment, and pressure with the grace of a seasoned professional. I encourage you to incorporate these insights into your life and see the transformation for yourself. And remember, after every challenge, be ready to face the next one with confidence. As always, thank you for joining me on this journey of Stoic living. Stay resilient, stay calm, and I'll see you in the next video.